I work backwards. I start at the end. The goal. What is the goal? The goal is to get you employed, either in a class or online, right? So let's start with the goal in mind. First thing we do, we fix your resume. So important. I know what it needs to look like. We create the best personal introduction video. So you pop out of that screen. We figure out where to look, what websites to visit regularly to apply for jobs. You might not yet be qualified. You might not yet be ready, but we are starting at the end. Yeah, we've already succeeded. And the next thing is we prepare for interviews. Okay, so at the end of that process, you're ready for action. Yeah, you're living the dream. You might still be working on certain things, but we can focus and get you ready to meet your potential employer. The next thing I do is I want you to understand and experience how it feels to be a student. So I'll do a demo class. I will teach you English. Now, I don't want you to pretend not to understand me, because when you're trying to show someone how to do something with a process, you need structure. So if you start playing around and just pretending not to understand me, it becomes like a game, right? We can talk about how to deal with students that don't understand. That's another lesson. Today, I want to show you how to teach. I want to show you the steps so you can experience how it feels to be a student. And it is really interesting. Yeah? So that's a little glimpse into my process. Okay? Now, go to my website. There's a link below. I'll put a link in the message too. If you want to meet me just to discuss what's possible, book an hour. I've got a promotion, currently 50% off. The code at checkout is coaching30, all right? Capital letters 30. That'll get you 50% off your first session. We can talk about anything regarding teaching. Your concerns, your fears. Maybe you're looking for a new job. Maybe you just need help with your classroom management. I've been teaching, training and recruiting in Thailand and for Cambodia for 22 years. I know what I'm doing. And I've been very successful working with my clients. And thank you guys and girls for putting your faith in me. So get in touch, yeah? I also offer a full program to take you from zero to hero. Completely starting from the beginning to walking into your first class. And with my clients, I stay with you right to the end. It's not about coach, and off I go. I am contactable 24/7 unless I'm sleeping. And if I am sleeping, I'll get back to you when I wake up. All right? Comment below. Talk to me. If you're sitting on the fence, if you're not sure, send me an email. I'll respond. Check my other videos. Testimonials. I've got more than 400 videos, teaching tips, cultural tips. I can help you. All right? Even if you've been through the TEFL process, but you're still not feeling ready. This is a common theme. People learn loads of theory, but they don't know how to put it into practical everyday use. And that's what I'm good at. I'm also good at teaching you the necessary grammar. There are things you need to know. There's things you have to know. The tenses, simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, parts of speech, sentence type, sentence form. You get totally overwhelmed during a TEFL and it just completely bogs you down in theory. Don't worry, I've got you. I can help you. I follow the KISS principle. Keep it simple and a little bit silly, and it works. All right? Get in touch. I know you're out there. All right. I know you're sitting at home, freezing your nuts off, or whatever else you can freeze off. I can't do that. I don't have the Yes, you do. Just talk to me, email me, open up a conversation, comment below. And all you experienced teachers, encourage people, yeah? You can do it. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be in touch. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.